Hey there, Salvatore'S kitchen fans, how you going, man? So we're going to do some kind of chicken in the bread machine. If you don't have a bread machine, you can use an oven, okay? So, you got to start with some chicken. So I've got 2, 4, 5 legs here, which is going to be, for me, not in one sitting. I've got a little bit of leftover peeled tomato I put a little bit of sugar in there to balance the acidity. And I'm going to put these in here. And just going to add some salt. Good pinch of salt. And pepper. Now you might think, oh, is that all? No, that's not all. There is going to be a lot more to be added to this. Okay, so I've got a little basket of goodies here. I've got parsley, I've got basil from my garden, I've got chili, garlic, spring onion, and did I miss anything? So basil, spring onion, chili, garlic, parsley, that's the one. Okay, so I'm gonna chuck that in here. All of that. And extra virgin olive oil. Really good dollop. Now, I've got some veggies behind me. So veggies, I'll show you in a minute. I'll go through those. I'll try and coat this chicken as best as I can. I don't have a lot of room in this bowl, but it's alright, because it's going to get thrown in here anyway. Alright, so I've preheated this. If you don't have one of these, just use a normal oven. But put that in there. And I'll have to pack it so that it's all fitting in there nicely, right? Put that on top. Rosemary is in there as well, if I haven't mentioned that. So you can hear it sizzling because I already preheated it. I'm not going to lock it in, it doesn't matter. So I've got some chopped potato that I just chopped, because you don't want to leave them too long, they'll go grey. And carrot. So put that directly on top. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to cover that with aluminium foil so that it seals in there, seals in the heat. I've got to just wash my hands for a second. So the bread machine is grab that aluminium foil. So the bread machine is basically 180 degrees, okay, in your oven. So it says there, I put on 1.5 hours, and you want the shiny side to be the side that is in contact with the chicken, kind of thing, right? So the dull side on the outside. We'll stuff that in there just to keep the heat in. Close it up. And the good news is now all I have to do is sit there and wait. There's nothing else more to do. And you can, I guess, do some gravy later on. So what I'll do is I'll stop the video there, and then I'll do another video, part 2 of when it's finished. So that's a good part. You just prepare everything, cut everything up, throw it in there, and wait, basically. So I'll be back, Bennett. Hey guys, I forgot one ingredient. My red wine. Or white wine. White wine's technically better, but this is all I've got. So I'm going to put a nice little splash in there. Wow. The rest is for me. Don't worry, the alcohol, if you're worried about that, the alcohol dissipates when it cooks. So an hour and a half and we'll be back. We'll check the internal temperature and I'll see you then. Okay. Rightio, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. Now, what I forgot to show you was I dropped a little bit of wine in there, and it was... I might have actually shown you that. Okay, I actually mixed it. I did put some of my wine in there as well, okay? Just so after about, I don't know, 40 minutes, I gave it a bit of a mix. And it's around an hour and 10 minutes it's been cooking, which is great. I'll show you the finished product anyway, because it might be hard to show you this because of the heat and whatever. But anyway, all right, let's do this. Got my internal thermometer again, remember that guy? And look how great it is. I'm going to bring this camera a little closer. Can you see in there? Without breaking anything, hopefully. There we go. That's what it looks like. Alright. So, the great news is, as I was telling Tristan, my nephew, hope you're watching, Tristan, hi. It's minimum 77 degrees Celsius. So, it is cooked, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, that's all you need to do. Turn off the bread machine. Now, don't use any gravy, I think, because I actually did do a sauce, so it's going to be nice. I'm going to grab a plate and dish it up to show you. Oh, look what we got here. The famous Harry Potter plate again. So we got, I'm going to get a really deep chicken, so we absolutely know it's cooked. Kind of got the wrong tool for the job here. Not so easy to grab out. Okay. Probably tongs would be better. Alright. So we got some of the sauce. Look at that. Grab a bit of carrot or something if I can. Here we go. A bit of carrot. Right. Bit of sausage. Best way would be to get an oven mitt and pour that. But anyway, let's grab a little bit of that. Look at that. There you go. Look at that. Hey, it's that easy, ladies and gentlemen. Chicken alla Salvatore. Buon appetito to me. God bless. Salvatore out.